just not right. Even though Cleopatra is gap-toothed and I've seen her make out with trees at recess before, it's fine with me. It's fine that she's president. The thing that makes me so happy about this day is that someone as fat as Kevin isn't running our class. Oh my gosh, it was so funny. I saw Kevin like right after they announced the president, and when he found out it wasn't him, he like went back really fast, like out of astonishment, and all of the fat on his man boobs and his face slammed back. It was just so funny to see. And when I, Fred Figglehorn, realized that I wasn't class president, I was mad. I'm not gonna lie, I was so mad. But deep down inside, I knew that I did not deserve to be president because I had been a sour pickle, and you're supposed to be a sweet pickle, just like Cleopatra. She was so nice that she didn't make any bad posters. That's why she got president. So my advice to you is to just be a sweet pickle, and everything will turn out for you in life. Everything. There's no doubt about it. Your life will be perfect. Okay, well I have to go because I have to tell my mom that I used a lot of her money to make these buttons. So yeah. Peace out, home duck. See you next time.